Hello friends, I am cloudy weather. The sky is full of clouds, and the sun is hiding behind me. I make the day look soft and gray.
Hello friends, I am rainy weather. Raindrops fall from the clouds and make everything wet. I help plants grow and make the earth fresh and green. Hello friends, I am stormy weather. I bring dark clouds, strong rain, and lightning flashes. Stay safe and indoors when I am here. Hello friends, I am windy weather. I blow air strongly and make trees and leaves move. Hold your hat and feel the breeze around you.
Hello children, welcome back to our session. Today we are going to learn about weather during the rainy season. During this season, we experience different types of weather conditions. Children, first let us understand cloudy weather. When the sky is covered with clouds and the sun is not clearly visible, we say it is cloudy. The weather looks grey and cool. Children, sometimes the weather becomes stormy. During the rainy season, stormy weather includes heavy rain, strong winds and lightning. We should always stay safe indoors during storms. Now children, let us learn about rainy weather. When clouds become heavy with water, they release raindrops. This is called rain. Rainy weather makes the surroundings green and fresh. Now children, let us understand windy weather. During this time, strong winds blow and we can see trees and leaves moving quickly in the air. Children, today we learned about different types of weather during the rainy season, such as cloudy, rainy, stormy, and windy. I hope you understand this chapter.
Drink me and feel cozy and strong. Hello friends, I am tea. I am warm and soothing. People love to drink me when it rains. I make you feel relaxed and happy. Hello friends, I am coffee. I am hot and refreshing. I help you feel active and warm during rainy days. Hello friends, I am pakora. I am crispy and tasty. People love to eat me during rainy weather. I am a perfect snack with tea. Hello friends, we are jambolan plums. We are juicy and healthy fruits enjoyed during the rainy season. Hello friends, I am guava. I am fresh and full of nutrients. Eating me keeps you healthy during the rainy season. Hello friends, I am gooseberry. I am small but very healthy. I help you stay strong and fit during the rainy season.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about things we eat and drink during the rainy season. Now children, look at tea. Tea is a warm drink that people enjoy during rain. It makes us feel relaxed and fresh. Let us start with hot milk. Hot milk keeps our body warm and gives us strength. It is very good to drink during rainy days. Children, now look at pakora. Pakoras are crispy snacks that are very popular during the rainy season. People love to eat them with tea. Next we have coffee. Coffee is also a hot drink that helps us feel active and warm during cold, rainy weather. Now let us see some fruits. Jambolan plums are juicy fruits that we get during the rainy season. They are tasty and healthy. Guava and gooseberry are also very healthy fruits. They help us stay strong and protect us from getting sick. Children, today we learned about different foods and drinks we enjoy during the rainy season. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I am Pentagon. Pentagon, Pentagon. I am a special shape. Can you look at me and smile with me?
Hello friends, let us count my sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I have 5 sides. That is why I am called a pentagon.
Hello friends, I am a locket. I have a pentagon shape. Look at my 5 sides. I shine and look beautiful. Hello friends, I am a birdhouse. Look at my shape. I am a pentagon. I have 5 sides. Birds love to stay in me.
Hello friends, I am a football. Can you see my pentagon shapes on my surface? I have many pentagons that make me look special.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about a new and interesting shape called pentagon. Let us count the sides of a pentagon together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can clearly see that a pentagon has 5 sides. Now children, look at a football. It has many pentagon shapes on its surface, which help form its design. Children, we can find pentagon shapes in many objects around us if we observe carefully. This locket jewelry, for example, look at this birdhouse. It has a pentagon shape with 5 sides, making it look unique and beautiful. Children, today we learnt about the pentagon shape and its examples around us. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I am Jog, J-O-G, Jog. I mean to run slowly for fun and exercise. Come jog with me and stay healthy. Hello friends, I am Log, L-O-G, Log. I am a piece of wood from a tree. I rest quietly in the forest. Hello friends, I am Dog, D-O-G, Dog. I am friendly and playful. I have to run, bark, and play with you.
Hello, friends. I am Hog, H-O-G, Hog. I like to roll in mud and live on the farm. I'm big and happy.
Hello friends, I am Fog, F-O-G, Fog. I make everything look blurry and misty. You see me in cold and rainy weather.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the og word family. These words have the same ending sound. Let us start with the word jog. Jog means to run slowly for exercise. People jog to stay fit and healthy. Now children, look at the word log. A log is a piece of wood that comes from a tree. It is often found in forests. Next we have dog. A dog is a friendly animal and a common pet. It loves to play and stay with people. Now look at the word frog. A frog is an animal that lives near water and can jump very high. Children, the next word is hog. A hog is a farm animal that likes mud and lives on farms. Finally, we have the word fog. Fog is a type of weather when the air becomes misty and we cannot see clearly. Now children, trace all words. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I am Hexagon, H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon, I am a special shape. Come and learn about me. Hello friends, look at this honeycomb. I have many hexagon shapes. Bees make me with 6 equal sides. I am sweet and special. Hello friends, I am a weighing stone. I help measure weight. Look at my shape. I am strong and have 6 sides like a hexagon. Hello friends, I am a signboard. Look at my shape. I am a hexagon. I help people stop and stay safe on the road. Hello friends, look at these floor tiles. They are shaped like hexagons with 6 sides. They make the floor look beautiful and neat.
Hello children, welcome back to our maths session. Today we are going to learn about a new shape called hexagon. Let us count the sides of a hexagon together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can clearly say that a hexagon has 6 sides. Look at the honeycomb. Bees make honeycombs in hexagon shapes because it is strong and fits perfectly. Now look at a weighing stone. It is also in a hexagon shape, like a honeycomb and a stop sign. Observe it carefully. Now look at a signboard. Some signboards are shaped like hexagons and help people follow rules on the road. Children, floor tiles are also sometimes made in hexagon shapes, which make the floor look attractive and well designed. Children, today we learned about the hexagon shape and its examples around us. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, welcome to winter season. Look at the beautiful snowflakes falling from the sky. Everything looks white and magical.
Friends, In winter, we wear warm clothes and drink hot chocolate milk to stay warm and cozy. It feels so nice. Hello, friends. Let us make a snowball and build a snowman together. Winter games are fun and exciting. Yes, let's add a carrot nose and a hat. It's perfect! We did it! Hello, friends. We love playing in the snow. We make snowballs, run, and laugh. Winter is so much fun. Catch this! This is fun! Yeah!
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the winter season, a season full of cold weather and snowfall. Children, during the winter season, the temperature becomes very low, and in some places, snow falls from the sky, covering everything in white. During winter, we wear warm clothes like jackets, sweaters, caps, and gloves to protect ourselves from the cold. Children love playing in the snow. They make snowballs, build snowmen, and enjoy outdoor games. We also drink hot beverages like milk and hot chocolate to keep our body warm and healthy. Children, today we learned about the winter season and its special features. I hope you understand this chapter